Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant-style Angara Chicken Naga. This Angara Chicken Naga dish will definitely blow your mind. A hot, spicy curry with fantastic smokiness, infused using the ancient Dhungar method. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. In a bowl, add the meat, yoghurt, coriander powder, lemon juice, Kashmiri chilli, garlic paste, salt, chilli, cumin, garam masala and turmeric powders. Mix through well to ensure everything is well combined, then cover and leave in the refrigerator for around an hour. The longer the better. When ready, heat the oil on medium heat and add in the black cardamom, green cardamoms, cinnamon and cloves. When you see little bubbles forming around the hard spices, add the sliced onions, give them a good stir and cook until the onions turn soft and golden brown. Add in the garlic, ginger, green chilies and crushed pepper. Stir through and fry for 30 seconds. If at any time things look like they are sticking, just add a little base and mix through. Remove the black cardamom and add the tomato paste, stir through and allow to fry for a further 30 seconds to reduce the bitterness. Add back the marinated meat along with the marinade sauce and continue to fry on a medium heat for around 5 minutes, stirring frequently so that it does not stick to the bottom. Add half of the base, stir well and allow to reduce by half before adding the rest of the base along with the almond powder. Stir through and cook until you see the oil starting to separate on top. If you don't want to bite into the hard spices in the finished dish, it's an ideal time to remove them now. Add the sugar and Naga pickle, combining well. When the dish is reduced to your liking and the meat is cooked through, turn off the heat and stir through. Now it's time to add that awesome smoky taste. Place a small piece of charcoal directly over a gas flame. When it turns white, place a metal bowl or aluminium foil tray in the curry and add the charcoal. Drizzle over some oil or ghee, immediately put the lid on and let it smoke for 1 to 3 minutes. Remove the lid and the charcoal and stir through well. Serve decorated with some fresh chopped chilies and a sprinkle of coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.